So I'm here today with our head PT Liam, and we are going through a full body workout, focusing on strength to hopefully improve our bone density and our muscle mass.
So it's all intertwined with the end goal. We want to be healthy and fitter as we age. Doing basic things, carrying groceries from the car, playing with your kids, your grandkids, just being able to do basic movements. It all comes down to how we can move in the gym. And that's why we're here at Fit One today. So we have a big focus on strength training today. We're trying to improve our muscle mass and our bone density. So we're pumped.
Well, let's go. We've already done half of it.
So your first one, we're going to focus on that inclined shoulder press, okay? So dumbbells up on the top, bring that feet in slightly, head goes back and looking up to the roof. From here, I want you to press, get that slight touch, and control on the way back down. I want you to have a big focus on your tempo, okay? So I'm controlling on the way down, slight pause, and I drive on the way back up. I'm trying to work on that time under tension, okay? That's our main pillar for building strength. Nice. So stay nice and controlled. We're gonna bring the dumbbells up.
Time under tension.
And then from there, head back. Yeah, nice. We're gonna press, drive, and then tempo. Control on the way down. I want you to think 3 seconds on the way down. So 3, 2, 1, big drive, that's perfect. Awesome, Adam. Focus on your breathing, big drive. We're staying slow on the way down. Press, you've got 2 more. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Beautiful. Put them back on the ground. Yep. Now your second exercise is on the ring rows. So with your ring rows, hands in the rings, I want you to drop down underneath the bar. Big focus on my hips up. So I don't want you to row from here. I drive the hips up, I lock the hips in, get my chest up nice and high. Big squeeze in the back. And if you're watching my hips don't drop all through that movement. So I want you to keep your hips up. We're nice and long with the arms at the bottom. And you're gonna get 8 reps here. So hips up. From there we pull. Chest to rings. Perfect, that's 1. Keep the hips up, keep the hips up. That's 2. Awesome, Adam. Stay in that strong position. So the spine wants to be neutral, the hips are up. Perfect. When you try to touch my hand with the chest. So pull, beautiful. Back down. We've got 2 more. Big squeeze on the back. So as you drive up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Back down, 1 more, exact same. Drive, perfect. Good reps.
Okay, nice.
Awesome. We're gonna roll into our third exercise. Adam, I'm gonna drop down with your push-up, my hands underneath the shoulders, my feet a little bit outside the shoulders. I'm strong through my lower back. I'm gonna drop down, my elbows stay close. I get low to the ground. As I push up, my elbows pop through. So once you get that full range of motion all the way down, all the way up. Slight pause at the top, slight pause at the bottom. Really working on that tempo like we spoke at the start. Okay. With that full range of motion. So strong, perfect. We're low, drive, lock the elbows. There we go, you got 10, that's 1. 2. Awesome, Adam. Keep that full range of motion. You're halfway. Nice, big drive, let's go. 7. Good, lock them out, lock them out. 9, 1 more. Exercise number 4, kettlebell to chest. We've got our goblet squat. So again, remembering with your feet slightly pointed out, and my knees want to follow that line. So I push my knees out, I get nice and low, and I drive up. Focusing on that tempo. Breathe in, breathe out at the top. Okay, perfect. Now push the knees out. We're sitting back, 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 up. Great range. We've got 8 reps. Let's go. 2.
It really makes a difference when you have your feet turned out.
Yeah, it does. So with the feet turned out, it just is a bit easier on your hip joint. So your hip joint is a nice round ball. If the feet are facing forward a little bit closer in, it just blocks your hip. Okay, so if the feet are pointing out, we get a nice range of motion through that hip joint. 1 more rep there, Adam.
That's good.
Knees out and drop. Perfect. Nice. Exercise, Adam, is just gonna get that reverse lunge body weight. Okay, so when you go hands just in front of the chest, I'm gonna get that knee touch. All that weight is on that front leg. I drive up, my foot comes back. Get a little bit of length with that back leg. Okay, so we're hitting all the quad, all the glute. I want you to be nice and stable with your foot. So drop down in that lunge. Yep, nice and solid, leg goes back, touch and drive. Perfect. 2. You can get a little bit of range with that back foot. There we go.
Driving off the leg that you're...
Yeah, so
back
big
leg.
drive off that back leg, and you should feel a big focus on the quad that we're bending. So this leg here, as you drop down, big drive, big drive, big drive,
Okay, yeah.
perfect.
Okay.
2 more.
I think I was focusing on my
One.
back leg too there.
And done. Awesome.
Good work. Thanks.
So we're gonna roll through our shoulder press.
Yeah.
Barbell, so a few little tips. Thumb, thumb. Just makes that we're nice and even with the bar, okay? So we're exactly on the same point. I'm gonna roll underneath. I'm nice and strong through my elbows, through my upper back. I press, I lock it out, I control on the way down. I always want you to get underneath the chin. So I'm getting that full range, nice and tall at the top, low at the bottom.
Nice.
I want you to get 7 reps. Okay. We're gonna breathe through.
Thumbs.
Yep, perfect. Strong through your upper back. Remember, bring it back. Yep. Press. 1. Good. So strong through here, strong through your lats. Overhead. Beautiful. 2. That's very difficult.
1.
2 more. Give me 2 more. Strong. Press. Lock it out. Last one. Big drive. Big drive. Big drive. Up. Yes. Nice, Adam. Well done. Walk it in. Walk it in. Walk it in. Awesome. Well done.
Nice. Good work.
Okay, so Adam, our last exercise is going to be a back squat. This is just a progression from our goblet squat that we just performed before. So our back squat is the step above, I guess you could say. We're going to hop underneath. That thigh is up on my neck or the top of my traps. My hands lock the bar in. Step back. Now with your feet, same again. Outside the shoulders, my toes are slightly pointed out. I'm strong through the upper back. I take a big breath in. I drop down. I drive up, I breathe out at the top. Okay, so I want you to focus on the breathing in. Hold, I push down. From here, I drive out and I push out. I'm gonna wrap it in.
Nice. Make it look easy.
Oh.
Not that bit, not the standing up.
So, underneath,
Yeah.
strong through your back, little step up. Nice, and then just relax. Feet, shoulder pad, remember those toes? Yep, perfect, nice and comfortable. Hips back. There we go, and drive. Nice, Adam, good. Push the knees out. Sitting back, 3, good. 4, stay solid with that bar. Breathe in, nice. We've got 3 more. Hips out, toes out. Nice, 1 more. And up. Awesome, Adam, walk them in.
Nice.
How's that?
Job done. Well done.
Man.
Nice. Here at the LMI, we take a very different approach to our training programs than the generic route. So we check your muscle mass, your bone density, your VO2 max. So we can use this data to tailor specific training programs for you.